Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm going to share a little bit about my freelancing experience and how you can get started easily. Just creating basic HTML websites for your clients and start making money uh, in your spare time. So um, this is a simple, just like a one page website, and where we have this banner. You can have any description about the business and products they sell in, or anything else that you want. And then below this banner you can have their social media links, so WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And this will be responsive, so if uh, you view this in a mobile device, you'll get a different image over here. So this is like a very simple thing that you can create. I've also got a code for you, so I'll share the entire code what we have here. But so the basic idea behind doing this is to remove the barrier that you have. Most people, like, they find it very difficult, like they've got so many objections, let's say, to start freelancing, like, oh, I don't have enough skills, I don't know enough people, who is going to pay me, how can I convince my clients to pay me, etc. So yeah, so this is a very simple product, and basically you all you need is just a couple of images, which you can design yourself if you want, or you can ask your client to provide these images. A lot of these business owners have at least one or two graphic designers, who help them with catalog and all the other stuff. So if you can do it, well and good. Otherwise, you can just ask them, so that they can work with some designer and provide these images for you. uh, so, like, a lot of the times, many of these B2B companies, manufacturers and all those other businesses, now they don't have time to maintain the website, and most of them, like, they have a lot of customers, so they actually don't need a website. Yeah, so they've got a lot of customers and they are registered on all those different B2B websites from where they get the leads. So but having this website is like a good to have thing for them, so that they can at least have their domain name registered, and also have a little something to show, like if someone visits this website, they can get to know that the business is genuine, they've got a website. And also they can showcase their social media links right here, so this can definitely help them to increase their fans and followers and all those different social media. Then also, by using WhatsApp over here, like, a lot of the customers know that this is a genuine company and they can directly chat with them on WhatsApp. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So, like, I used to work with many of these marketing agencies when I used to be a freelancer, and uh, like, many of them have like lot of clients, and they don't have website or anything like that. They, like, the marketing people usually manage the social media for such businesses. So you can pitch these marketing agencies, like, if you're afraid to go and talk to uh, business owners directly, you can just pitch marketing agencies and tell them that this is something that you'd like to you know mm, provide to their customers, and you can tell them whatever charge uh, that you want for creating such websites. So if you can directly talk to business owners, that is obviously the best way to go about it. And, like, most of these business owners will, like, won't mind paying you $50 to $100 for having a website which has got social media links and contact number and stuff like that. Cause like these companies register on a lot of B2B websites, and they pay a very hefty fee per year to maintain those websites. So you can say around 30 to 35 thousand rupees, so which is roughly around $500 per year. And so like they easily spend 1,000 to 1,500 dollars every year on maintaining all those different websites that they have. So like most of them won't even mind paying you 50 to $100, like, and this won't take any time for you to build and sell this thing, because the code is uh, pretty simple, and like, the code is going to remain pretty much the same for all your clients. All you have to do is just change the images and the links that are there. So like if you have once you have this code ready, it will hardly take you 5 to 10 minutes to put together a site like this. All right. So yeah, that's also, let's have a look at the code that we have. So the code is pretty simple. So the key things I'll explain to you. So one is this meta name viewport tag. So the entire head section, apart from this style, is something which comes along with the basic HTML boilerplate, so which you should use for every website, because now things like viewport help you with responsive design. So this is one line that you need to add. Then we have the title. So title is something that shows up over here, so this is the project title. And then you also have description and author. So author will be basically your name or your company's name, and description is the project description. Then we have this meta properties called OG. So these are basically for when you share a website URL via WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social media, you must have seen that along with the URL, you get some description and a tiny image. So this is that thing that helps you get all those title and description when you share a URL. So you must have seen when you share some link on Facebook, you automatically get a small snippet, like a preview of what that site is about. Same goes on WhatsApp. So if you use this OG, this will help you with getting the title, description, URL, and the small image for uh, for WhatsApp. Then this is the icon. Now you don't need to worry too much about this. Then yeah, so now I'll explain you the style that I've written for this. So basically we have HTML and body, and we have removed the padding and margin, and we have made this as height 100%. Then in the bottom, if you see, I've just got this div banner. Okay, so this is the body section. Inside the body section we have this div banner, and then div, it's a div called social icons. So inside social icons we have got three uh, a tags basically, and inside the a tag we have this image. Alright, so Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, these are the three images. Now these are wrapped inside an a tag, and we have given target blank so that this link opens up in a new tab. Okay, so yeah, so I don't have the internet connection right now, so yeah. Alright, so this is the basic HTML uh, which goes inside the body tag, a banner, and social icon. So for banners, we are basically creating one class called banner, and then inside that class we are giving a background image. Okay, so this is the background image, this is the banner tag, banner class. Then we have this background image, then we have given background size as contain. Then background repeat property says no repeat. Background attachment is fixed, and the background position is center top. So center is for X and Y. Sorry, so center is for this one, so this is centered, and this thing is on the top. So Yeah, if you do center center, then this will come in the middle. Okay, so there'll be some white space on top as well. So I wanted this thing to stick to top, so we have given top. Okay, and then height is 70%. So 70% height uh, will be for the image, and then in the bottom we have this social icons. All right, so for social icons we have used display flex and justify content center. So all these icons will come in the center. If you want these icons to, stick to the ends, like let's say one over here, one over here, and one in the center, then you can use a different property called justify content space between. But for now, we are good with justify content center. So we have this icon sitting nicely in the center of the screen. Then I've given some margin and padding to a tag, so like they are not uh, too close together, so that we have enough space in between these and this image and then these two icons. So we have given some margin, so margin 24 pixel, 16 pixels. So 24 pixels is top and bottom, so 24 on the top, 24 on the bottom, and then 16 on the left, 16 on the right. Okay, and then we have given display block to these images. So inside social icons image, so social icons div, inside this social icons, if you find an image, make it display block. All right, and then we have this media queries, so minimum width 600 and minimum width 992 pixels. So as you can see, we have used a different image for tablet and mobile, sorry, for desktop. So for desktop we are using this image, for tablet we are using this image, and the reason is because these laptop and desktop, these are wide, and mobiles and all those screens are uh, narrow. Yeah, so this is like a landscape image, and then this is the portrait image. Okay, so you can have two different images, landscape image and portrait image. Alright, so this is how it will look on the mobile. And then we have used height 80% over here. So now this is actually for mobile, we have used height 70, this is for tablet, and this is for desktop. Okay, minimum width 992 is for desktop, 600 you can say for tablet, and if you don't have anything, this is on the mobile. Okay, remember this is minimum width, not maximum width. So this is called mobile first approach, where we write the media query for the tablets and desktop, while all the other styles are for mobile. Okay, so this is mobile first, so mobile styles will come first, and then for tablet, and then for desktop in the end. So the CS is basically the same everywhere, only thing that is changing is this, the URL, and the height, it depends on you, the kind of image that you design, but I think 80% of the height is good enough. Like this will work in most cases, or in every case, I mean. So, and for mobile you can have 70-80, so that this doesn't go all the way down. Okay, so that, like when you are, imagine holding this thing in in your hand when you're using the phone, you want these icons to be, conveniently placed so that you can click on them. Also, like there's no distraction. If you see, like a lot of the times what people do is they put some form, they put some contact number, they put address and what this company is about and all those extra stuff, because they don't want the space to look empty. But what it does is, like, it basically creates a distraction for your user. Like you don't need all that stuff. Like people already know that you've got a business and this image, and then you got social media links. So like by eliminating, by removing that extra stuff that you have, you are basically trying to get the user's attention on these three things which are more important, so they can connect with you on these social channels and basically become your followers. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, so you can basically, like if you're just getting started as a freelancer, you can use this thing. You can try to create it on your own, but yeah, if you want, I'll leave this open for some time so that you can uh, pause and maybe copy paste this if you want. I'll also see if I can, give this entire template to you via some GitHub link or something, or maybe a drive. I don't know, I haven't shared these things before, but yeah. So I'll just leave this open over here for you guys, and you can just pause your video and maybe jot it down if you want. Otherwise, creating is this is not that difficult, so the only important thing that you need to worry about is this thing right here. So if you can nail this class, the rest of this stuff is like pretty simple. um so yeah, so if you're getting started as a freelancer, I would highly encourage you to create some small product like this which doesn't take a lot of time to build. Yeah, and just focus on getting more and more customers. So if you sell this for, let's say, $50, and you e- are able to get even 10 customers, that's easily $500. So getting 10 customers is not that big deal, because if you look at all these B2B companies that are there, like there are a lot of companies, a lot of B2B companies, and most of them have got their account on many of these listing companies. So you don't even have to go outside looking for such companies. You can just Google B2B companies in your area, and then you can just directly talk to them, and you can show them one sample project, and basically ask them if you can create similar stuff for them. All right. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section if there's anything else that you'd like to know. So I'll try and create more videos like this, which can help you guys if you're looking to get started as a freelancer, or just want to learn HTML, CSS, on all the basic UI web design stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.